Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been out in Pepper Row, so I thought I would come out and see what's going on and maybe do a little harvesting. Okay, these are cayenne peppers, and I got some that are red like this. So we're gonna harvest the majority of those. Okay, that's it for the cayenne. Let's look at the ghost pepper. Okay, I don't see any ready on the ghost, so let's look at the jalapeno. Nice size jalapeno. Here are a couple that have started to turn red. Got some other ones, but they're not big enough to get. Are poblano and Scotch bonnets. Here we're on the other side getting jalapenos and Trinidad seasoning peppers. Quick update. In a previous video, not too long ago, I planted my zucchini and squash. What you're currently looking at is the supersonic squash, and the one next to it is the crookneck squash, and the one next to that is my zucchini. All of the supersonics have taken off and are doing well. Two of the crookneck died, and all three of the zucchini died. So I've started some new seeds for the zucchini, and when they come up, we'll try again. Okay, here's my harvest for today of my peppers from Pepper Row. A good mix overall, and I'm grateful for it, especially the jalapenos coming along with me while I harvested my peppers. I hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you like my content and haven't subscribed, please take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of peppers and vegetables, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you like or interested in any of the plants and seeds that I used in this video, head down to my comment section. The links for several of the merchants that I use are there. You can get a pretty good deal on their products, and it helps me out a little bit. You can also head over to my Amazon storefront, and you can head over to my website. So until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Always stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.